Huawei P30 Pro, best deals, lowest prices, and how to get a free gift worth £199. Huawei's P30 Pro has now officially been released, and here's all the best deals, offers and how to get a free Sonos One speaker worth £199. After months of rumors and speculation, Huawei has finally revealed its all-new P30 Pro. This device, which now replaces the current P20 Pro, arrives packed with new features including a bigger 6.4-inch fully edge-to-edge display, fast Kirin 980 processor and huge 4,200 mAh battery. There's also a quadruple rear camera on glass case which offers numerous photography tricks such as 10x hybrid zoom and 50x digital zoom, ultra-wide-angle shots, plus the ability to shoot in almost total darkness without using a flash. This has been made possible via Huawei's SuperSpectrum sensor, which features a maximum ISO rating of 409,600. Other extras include wireless charging and the ability to refill other phones simply by placing them on top of the Pro. The P30 Pro arrives in breathing crystal, amber sunrise, aurora, pearl white, and black, with prices starting from £899. That's pretty expensive, especially as the P20 Pro can currently be picked up for as little £599. However, there are plenty of deals available right now which might help to make buying the P30 Pro a little more enticing. Perhaps the best offer arrives with a free Sonos One speaker worth £199. This is available from many of the UK's biggest operators including EE, Vodafone, 3 Mobile, Virgin Media, and O2. To get the Sonos One, you'll need to pre-order the P30 Pro before Friday, April 5th. If you think this is the smartphone for you, then here are some prices for this device on contract. Virgin Mobile £34 per month, 36-month contract includes 1,000 minute, unlimited texts, 1 GB of data upfront fee, £0. EE £58 per month, 24-month contract includes unlimited texts, unlimited minutes, 60 GB data upfront EE, £10. Mobiles.co.uk £38 per month, 24-month contract includes unlimited texts, unlimited minutes, 10 GB data upfront fee, £150. £3.53 per month, 24-month contract includes unlimited texts, unlimited minutes, unlimited data upfront fee, £29. Vodafone £50 per month, 24-month contract includes unlimited texts, unlimited minutes, 60 GB data upfront fee, £49. O2 £45.75 per month, 36-month contract includes unlimited texts, unlimited minutes, 5 GB data upfront fee, £30.